Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create voice memos on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. If you want to record sound, for instance yourself or something, then you can use the Voice Memos app. You can for instance find it in Utilities folder by default in the home screen. If not, then of course you can use the app library and then try to find it over here. It looks pretty much like this. If you go over here, then you can press this red button in order to start recording, and now everything you say of course will be recorded. You can pause it by pressing the same pretty much button. And you can of course listen to whatever you said by pressing this play button. You can tap over here in order to extend the view. You can also press over here in order to create captions for the recording. And in addition to that, you can tap on these three dots over here in order to find additional options like view transcript, copy transcript. You can duplicate, move to a folder. You can also go to options in order to even adjust the playback speed, skip the silence, and even enhance the recording. And if you want to remove the recording, then you have this trash icon over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!